Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Cat Eyes product to create a Northern Lights Aurora Borealis effect. So I'm going to be working on a tip today. I am going to use a base coat of Serious Black. And that's because I want everything to look a little bit dark. Because we want it to look like a night sky. So when you use the Cat Eyes product, you don't have to put black on. You can just use the background colour of the same product. So you just do one coat of whatever cat eye you're using. But because I want everything to look a little bit darker, I'm going to do a base colour of Serious Black. Just one coat I'll need. So the colours that I'm going to use are Stratosphere. That reminds me of Las Vegas straight away because there's a hotel called Stratosphere. Frenemy. And there is Poison Ivy. And Ethereal. What's that? I don't know what that is.
Oh no, hang on, wait a second, show me that one. Ethereal. Yeah.
Galaxy. And Cracked Ice. So I'm going to open all the pots. I'm not going to knock them over. Don't laugh. I know, you know that's what I normally do. I'm not going to knock them over. Not going to. You will need an ombre brush to do this as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint on randomly the colours. I'll definitely do a little bit more blue than I will any of the other colours. You just want little hints of colour. I am going to put the greens close together so they'll work together nice. Then you're going to take your ombre brush and you're going to sweep to sort of merge the colours. You don't want to completely overwork it. You're just merging them together. If you overwork it, you'll just end up with a big mush. Are you thinking about mouth?
What?
Well, I said mush.
Mush. When in Hartlepool, mush means like it's like a man.
Oh, is
like,
it?
It's like a nick. Like yeah, you would say, "All right, mush." So a big mush. That's me. I'm a big mush.
Right. Okay. I'm gonna put some of this up here as well. I like that green. I think a little bit more pink. Now, I'm actually going to use a different magnet. This is from a stand. So do you know I've got these like little stands that I do the nails on? Well, this is from a different one. It's just a bit easier to hold. And it's got a round magnet on. So I'm going to push. Can you see how it pushes all those little particles? Can you see it in this top corner? So this one kind of pushes it away. So if you hold it there, you can see. You see why I did it dark underneath? Because it really does show up. Oh, I love this already. The longer you leave it there for, the darker the patch will be. But what we're looking for is these kind of rays of light that you get from the cat's eye. And it reminds me of Northern Lights. We do have this tool as well if you wanted to do things a little bit different. So you could twirl that around, which would push it a little bit more messy. But if you want this sort of, these rings, then you can use a round magnet. I'm just going to disturb this bit a little bit because I want that to be not as dark. So if you're not happy with it, you can just disturb it and it'll bring back the metal. And just keep playing around with it till you're happy with it. Maybe just a little bit more here. Oh yes, that's nice. Let's pop that into the lamp. And see how it gives that aurora borealis kind of effect. What I am going to do is use some of this gorgeous gel polish, and I have no idea what it's called. It's 759.
Gem Explosion.
Oh, it's a Gem Explosion. So we're going to use a bit of Gem Explosion, and you can see that that adds loads of different colours of glitters in. It is a gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous gel polish. Even on its own, it's gorgeous. Because I want it to look a little bit starry, but I wanted it to have a little bit of colour as well. So I could have just used silver, but I want to use this. And I'm just going to add a little bit. So I'm going to lay down the bulk and then sort of tease it off as if it's like an exploding star. So lay down the bulk and then tease them off. And of course everything looks a little bit better with a little bit of glitter. I'm going to cure that. And then we're going to seal this with top coat. And let the brush kick around the edges of that nail. And don't forget to cap. So we're sealing everything in. And then I'm going to cure that. I love how when you move it as well, you can really see those cat eye details. That's a bit nice, isn't it? Always remember though, when you're using your ombre brush, to go in that one direction. Don't just like smudge it all around. Just gently tease it, but make sure you're going in that one direction.
Bit of Harry Styles.
Harry Styles?
One Direction.
Oh,
Dum dum.
that was a really crap joke. And that was your phone, not mine.
It was, yeah.
This is black hole, this bit, isn't it? Black hole. Don't get lost in there. Just thought my nails look really nice on camera.
I do.
So there we are, guys. That's how to create an Aurora Borealis look with the cat eye gel polishes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
No, Southern Lights are called.
No. There's no Southern Lights.
You didn't know there's Southern Lights?
You're such a liar.
I'm not. The Aurora. Oh, what's it called?
No way.
I'm not joking.
There's only Northern Lights.
Aurora Australis.